Afternoon, everybody. So, first thing that I realized when I heard that a lot of you are interested in IT and you still have a big strength to attend the IT seminar here. Amazing. I've requested for a small video to come from downstairs by the time it comes in, and then you will realize what IT means probably for every one of you. I'll ask a small question to all of you. Who can tell me what every human being on this earth wants? Two things that everybody wants. Okay? Satisfaction? Money? Okay? Power? Okay? I think, according to me, and you guys can tell me right, everybody wants a long life. Nobody wants to die. Correct? Right? And second thing everybody wants is fame and name. Am I right? Anybody who doesn't want these one or two? Okay. Now how do you get these two? The first one, of course, is not in your hands. It's the God. The second one partially is in your hands, and that demands hard work. There's no shortcut to hard work. And that's one thing you people have to realize, whatever you do. And few of you who will do that, of course, coupled with destiny, will get to be somewhere where you want to be. To give you a small example, I do a lot of work with the Indian Defense, which is immediately somewhere here. I had a friend who was a helicopter pilot working with the Indian Army. And I bumped into him once, and he could inside out tell me how the Indian Army documentation system on various procedures works. And I was quite surprised to see that, because he was a helicopter pilot. He was not supposed to know that. And what he told me was that when all my colleagues go in and want to go have a game of golf, or maybe go to a mess, have a beer or something, I used to tell them, leave your files with me, I will study them, I will prepare the note sheet, you come and just sign. So it was that hard work that was actually helping him to learn that. And that's where he was at a stage where being a lieutenant colonel, which is probably the third rank from the starting in the army, right? Yeah, and the major general, who was the second from the top, would actually ask him to come and help him to see how it would be done. So that's the way you can actually get your importance in place. Coming to IT, IT is a big field now. I would say it's almost like a whole discipline which has a lot of opportunities available, which have a lot of functionalities available. You have various domains which do come under IT and telecom, but are not interrelated. So you could be doing one part in IT while you will not be understanding the second part of it. So it's such a big ocean. The advantages and disadvantages of learning IT. Disadvantages first, because all of us like to listen to things that do not work. It's a field where you have to constantly upgrade yourself. Even if you are 25, 35, 45 or 55, it doesn't matter the age where you are. If you're not upgrading yourself, you're obsolete. So while at whatever level you might reach, whatever you have learned 3 to 5 years ago is already redundant. So it's a constant learning process and a constant hard work process. Advantages, you're always ahead of time. In your peers, you always know more than what other people know. And you can actually use that to your advantage and your experience. So you have to choose which way you want to go. You want that name, fame, and you want the hard work to be done or not to be done. IT again will touch everybody of your life. Whether you want to do it, or you don't want to do IT, or you want to learn it or not, it's immaterial. It will touch your life some way or the other. And the more you will actually be with it, you will actually succeed more. So every work that will happen in the next 10 years would get more IT-centric. So if you have the IT skills, and if you are with them, you will actually learn better, you will be picked up as a better employee to be chosen during the interviews, and your success ratios will go up. I have a video which will come and tell you how the IT works, but if you have any specific questions on IT, because I come from industry, I spent 22 years in the IT industry, so if anybody who has a specific question on IT, I can help. Online right now or after the talk? Is there anybody who has anything? No? Okay. So that'll be it from my side. I have a video which will come up somewhere during the show. We'll show it and see, and you realize how IT is going to touch your life maybe 5 years from now. Thank you very much.